Hi, I'm Vidya, MBA batch of 2025 at Acharya Bangalore B School. Honestly, the best part of ABBS is that nothing here is just a textbook. From day one, we were working on live projects, doing internships, and even interacting with real companies. The learning is super hands-on, so when you step into the interviews, you don't just know the concepts, you have actually applied them. What also stood out for me is the exposure. We have had guest lectures from industry experts, global certification opportunities, and even foreign exchange programs, which makes you think bigger than just the classroom. And being in Bangalore, you're right in the middle of India's business hub, so the networking opportunities are endless. Plus, the support here is next level. Faculty, seniors, alumni, everyone genuinely helps you out, whether it's preparing for placements, polishing your resume, or even just career advice. If you're looking for an MBA that's more than just theory, one that actually builds your confidence and gets you industry ready, ABBS is the place.